Hello friends, and once again welcome to bispsolutions.com. I'm here with a new scenario in Oracle planning. So I've got one interesting case. So in one of my project, my customer requested some specific way to link data form and dashboards. Okay. So there are multiple way of doing it. Today I'm going to show you an interesting method connecting multiple objects using direct URL. The same option was available in the past in OBI. I think the inspiration was taken from Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. Okay. So let me tell you the requirement, problem statement. Okay. So my customer has a data form, something like that. I try to create the similar case in Oracle Vision. Okay. So customer are inputting forecast data. Okay. So they have a data form called departmental forecast. They are forecasting based on entity. Within forecasting data, they would like to see the variances between current year forecast and previous year forecast. Also, while forecasting number, they would like to see the cumulative impact, the overall impact. So the overall impact of the forecasting can be shown in a dashboard. So in nutshell, I've got three objects. I have a data form. Okay. So planning artifacts. I've got one artifact called data form, where business users are forecasting the forecast input as an input form. The second data form is a dashboard where business want to see overall view, cumulative view, right? The impact of the forecasting, and then maybe little more detailed view. Detailed view available in another data form. So my business user wanted to see the cumulative view in one mouse click, different artifact to be linked together. Okay. The same thing I'm going to do it. Let me show you one sample data form. Business user going to input. This is my departmental form, right? And they want to link this form with a dashboard. So I have a sample dashboard over here. Dashboard. Yes, this is expense overview dashboard. So the moment I do forecast, the business wanted to see the impact of this. This is the impact of dashboard. Current year forecast, previous year actual, next year plan, right? And forecast number by entities. Right. So let's see how to do that. Okay. So how to do this? First, I'll capture these two artifact URL and I'm going to link them my uh, with my data form. Okay. So step one, what you do? Uh, Capture URL of app planning artifact. That is one way. Right. So I open dashboard and there's an option, three dots, dashboard. Click the direct URL. Look at dashboard summary. This is expense overview dashboard. Click on this and copy URL. I'm going to copy this URL and paste it over here in my notepad. Right. I also need a URL for my data form. So I can access via data form, option one, or I can use direct link. There's one way I can export all URL. It's a huge list of URL. So locating my data form from the huge list may be a daunting job. So there's a workaround. Okay. Once you capture all the URL, step number second, I'm going to link it. So I'm going to create an action menu. Create action menu. Okay. The action menu would consist of access to the dashboard, right? Using direct URL, option one, and then we are going to access to the data form. Okay, there are two ways of doing it. Let's do it. So click and create an action menu. I'm going to create new action menu, give some name. I'm going to give a name called quick access, right? Then I create an action menu header, click on add it, create action menu header. Yep, create a child. Under this, give some name, meaningful name, quick access. Okay. And this is going to be my action menu header. Under this, I'm going to create two children. Okay. First, I like to see my data form. I have a screenshot of data form. I have a data form called forecast variance and dashboard expense overview. So forecast variance. Business would like to see forecast variance. So menu item cannot have a space, label can have a space. I'm going to access data form, pick the data form from the list, forecast variance from my list. So it's a forecast. So go to the forecast folder, forecast variance. This is how you can link this action menu with the data form. The one is done. Second, I'm going to open dashboard. So let me create a sibling of this. I call expense dashboard. Expense bird view. And this is URL. And the URL one, the one I captured, I'm going to copy paste over here. Right. That's it. So my action menu is ready. Now I'm going to associate this action menu step number 3 with a data form. Associate action menu with data form. Right. Let's do this. So I go to my data form. What's data form name? This is departmental income statement. This is the form. Click in edit mode, edit the form, and go to other options. There you have list of all the action menus. Select quick access action menu. I don't need this one now. I'm going to uncheck quick access action menu. That's it. Save. And now we are ready to test it. Okay. So I'm going to close everything. Open my primary data form and assume you are a business user and you are forecasting your expenses. At the same time, when you're forecasting expenses, you like to see the variance, previous year forecast and current year forecast. I do just one mouse click. Since action menu associate, I can see forecast variance. The first method I taught you, direct connection. So when you click on this, it opens another data form. So here you can check your current and previous year forecast. Look at the variance. And business user can take action on top of that. Option 1. Option 2, right click. There's an option quick access. Expense dashboard bird view. Click on this. It opens the dashboard in a separate URL. See the difference over here when I open a data form through object connect, right? It gets open to different tab. Same browser, different tab. But when I access through URL, it opens in a separate browser tab. So I mean, it's up to you. How would you like to see this? I could have opened the dashboard directly by action menu. So there are two options. So I found this option is good, right? In addition to this, you can export all the URL from here. So I found this utility is tiny but fairly useful utility. You can capture the URL for an individual artifact and use it anywhere. The same URL you can use in ERP or maybe in third-party application as well. So that's it for today. Should you have any question, please feel free to reach out to bisp.com. Any question you have, please reach to bispsolutions.com. Thank you.